Hey guys, let's see how to set up the Tapo C310. I have the camera already connected to power, as you can see here. Just need to connect this cable, and then the camera is ready for the setup, as long as the camera is flashing the LED here, red and green. Alright, if the camera is not flashing like this, you just need to reset it. I have another video here on the channel where I show how to reset the camera. I will leave the link here in the description and by the end of the video. Alright, so as long as the camera has this LED that way, you can just use the Tapo app to start the setup. If you don't have the Tapo app yet, you can just come to the app store and look for it, right? Let me just come here to my app store, and here I can just search for Tapo. There we go. Enter here Tapo, and I'm gonna look for the TP-Link Tapo. That's the one. Okay, just download this app, install it, create your account, create a password that you can just log in. And in my case, I'm already logged in, so I can just come directly to the app. The first time that you open the app, you're gonna see a big button here to add a new device. You just tap on it and you start the process. Or you can just come here to the top and hit here this plus signal and add a new device. Okay, and from here you see the different cameras available. This is an outdoor camera, so I just select outdoor and look for the Tapo C310. There we go, that's the one. And here I can use Ethernet or wireless. I'm gonna use wireless. I don't have an Ethernet cable connected to the camera, so I'm going to select this one. Hit next. And now I just make sure that the LED is flashing red and green, which it is. So I just tap here, already green and red. And here now I just need to be careful, okay? Here you're going to find the camera signal, not the Wi-Fi. Later, the cell phone is going to tell the camera which Wi-Fi to use, but right now it's just the camera signal, which starts with Tapo _ cam something. So I just come here to my Wi-Fi, and then I look for this signal. See here that I have Tapo cam something, that's the one. Then I come back, and now the cell phone is going to add the camera. I just wait for it. There's this nice animation. There we go. And now you can just rescan and look for the signal for the router. It's not working for some reason. Let me just try one more time. You see, you just need to keep trying. And then you find the signals available here to connect your camera to. And it's not here yet. Let me just rescan one more time. Remember that you have to use the 2.4 gigahertz network. Now it could find my Wi-Fi router here. So I just select this one, enter here the password, hit next, next one more time.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. So you can see here that the camera changed the LED to steady green, which is good. And here I have the Alexa app. The Alexa app could find my camera as well, right? So I just need to wait. Here I can name the camera, select a location, and select an icon. And there we go, it's complete and it sounds good. Okay, let me just put the camera back there so you can see what I have on the street, right? I have some motion back there. And back here, you can just select the 30-day trial to install, to start recording into the cloud if you want to. I will just dismiss this because I can also record into the SD card. Here I have a Tapo hub on my network. If you don't, you're not gonna see this part. Let me just click here on maybe later. And here's the SD card. You just need to insert an SD card into the camera, and then you can format the SD card and start using it, right? So just hit got it. Here's the firmware update. is going to update the camera between 3 a.m. and 5 p.m. Just hit got it, and you're good to go. Let me just tap here. You see that the camera is working, and it's done. So super simple. Now the camera can just start recording by itself every time there's motion in front of it, right? Super simple. It comes like this already out of the box, ready to record. You just need to insert an SD card there. I have another video here in the channel where I show how to insert an SD card and how to format it, and also to set up the recording, to just adjust the recording, because at first the camera already comes recording, right? So that's how you can set up your Tapo C310. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and give your thumbs up. See you in the next video.